Kiss of Life, bad news. Now, I know what you're saying. Dre, where's the first like debut reaction? I did it. I checked it out. I checked out all the solos. I just haven't edited. I still haven't edited it, and it's a lot. It's piled up because I have all the solos combined and their debut. But if you guys still want those reactions, I can still edit it for you. Maybe I'll do an editing stream, and you can like be involved in the edit. If you guys still want the reaction videos to all their solo intro stuff and their debut, please tell me in the comments down below, and I'll probably do like either a stream or do it off stream and just edit it and then upload on YouTube. Unboxing stream will be uploaded on Dre Day, and I think I think today I'm doing a Stray Kids album first listen, Rockstar album. Probably gonna be checking out a first listen live on Twitch today, and then I'll probably play a scary game because why not? I guess a lot of people like to see me scared, or at least be scared with me. But please be there, please. But that's later today, around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. PST. But right now, we're checking out Kiss of Life Bad News official music video. I already love their debut. I love their solos as well. So they just keep on building and building. So I can't wait to see what else they have in store for Bad News. Seems like they're on them baddie-ish. So without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. By the way, this is ginger ale. I saw people saying I'm on my whiskey-ish. No, I don't drink anymore. But ginger ale. So it's like a, if I want like something soda feel, I drink some ginger ale. I don't know. It helps with digestion too, or at least burping and farting. Anyways, Kiss of Life Bad News. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Start off with the guitar. Oh. On the moon? Hey, let's go, Natty. Ain't no diggity. Shout out. Ooh. Are they? Did they just steal a police car? Oh, wait, no. The police are chasing them. Or what's happening? Or being escorted? I don't. Ooh. Oh, we play a dodgeball? Oh. Oh, the little endless controversy. Okay. East to west side? I can't shut my mouth. Damn, somebody fell on a car? Got the I can't do that. Got the no, I can't. Okay. Check my profile on the website. Let's go. Wait, what? You won't be able to close your mouth? Look at that stare down. Woo! Hey! Oh. Oh, in the face? Damn. Wait, what's happening right here? Ugh, leave her alone. A rioters demonstration. Why did that arresting feel like, you know those TikToks of those you know, fuck boys and fuck girls getting arrested and they're like looking at the camera, looking good. Kind of low-key reminded me of that. Oh, ew, wait, what's happening? Much as yeah, beat his ass. Smash that, boom. Okay. Beat his ass. Oh, she don't. Oh, attack the nuts. Attack the nuts. Whoa. So they're all in different situations, obviously. Is that coffee? Oh, goddamn. Yeah? Wait, what's happening? Oh. Damn. Oh, okay, vocals. Oh. Oh, she popped off. She's been popping off. Wait, they were in a police car, right? Or what? Is that a POV of me in the trunk? What is this? Ah, top secret. Their next comeback. Oh, paparazzi? Not paparazzi, just CSI. Oh, there's footage from the past. Just them rummaging through stuff. Is that a clue for the next one? Nati brings someone home, or at least a hotel thing. This part's fire. Okay. Damn. And then she's having like some issue with the girl. Obviously, it might be a bully, it might be not. I don't know. Threw his ass out the window. I just put it all together. Oh my god. You know what? He was shit anyways. Alright, put a comment down below what you guys think of Kiss of Life Bad News. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. They just keep on building on their whole, like, I mean, it's like their first comeback from what they debuted with. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I think they're just gonna keep on going and going and going. I can't wait to see more and more of what concepts they're gonna do. Put a comment down below what you guys think they should do next. Or I don't even know what's next. Do you have a bias? Do you have a favorite song? Put a comment down below. Alright, y'all. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Alright, y'all.